This is a drum lesson that's going to focus on the kick drum or the bass drum and how to play different beats by changing the kick drum and how you use it and how you play with a band. Maybe you're a new drummer, you've got a drum set, and you can play the basic rock beat, but you're ready to learn something new. So let's start with the basic rock beat. For me, a basic rock beat is something with the kick drum on the 1 and the 3, and the snare on the 2 and 4. I'm going to be playing eighth notes on the hi-hat. So let's just hear what I would define as the basic rock beat. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, kick was on 1 and 3, and the snare follows by striking on the 2 and 4. Let's bring out the band. Hey guys. And let's do some variations. Now, the band's going to play along with my groove or my drum beat, especially the bass player. And you'll be able to hear different things. And then below, you'll be able to see where I'm striking the kick drum. So let's try some. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's a variation on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Here's yet another variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, sometimes a song, it makes sense for a drummer to keep a steady, consistent beat from beginning to end, but you don't have to. You can change it up, and there's all kinds of ways to play the drums. But again, sometimes a song needs that. So here's an example that's popular for disco or dance music. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, kick drum was on all 4 beats. It's called 4 on the floor. All right, here's another example that I think takes a lot of patience. The kick drum is on the 1 and the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, I screwed up. See? Boy. All right, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 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 1. It really helps to count. In fact, I encourage you to count when you're learning these beats. It really helps define what you're supposed to do. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you try all those rhythms. But before we end, I'm going to try one other beat that I find really challenging for me. The kick drum is not in an obvious place, but it's a really fun groove. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.